Back when we were talking about cottages earlier, I mentioned Caldwell Cottage, which was originally owned by my maternal grandfather. Well, the old mill ice cream stand basically is Caldwell Cottage. It was built down on overlooking the Susquehanna River in Port Trevorton. But then he decided that maybe Port Trevorton wasn't as good a place to have the cottage as it would be here. So he sawed it in portions and trucked it over. He reassembled it over here, exactly where the old mill ice cream stand is. I'm very fond of it for a couple of reasons. First, because it's where my father and mother first met, right in the back of the Caldwell Cottage. Second, you may have noticed the round stands where you can sit and the way a couple of the roofs turn. The round stands were originally carousels. Johnny Miller, the man who operated Kishkaquilla's Park in Lewistown, had a carousel, and one winter the snow got so heavy and he was afraid the roof of the carousel was going to collapse, so he called out the local fire department to hose it off. Of course, the snow just soaked up the water and made it heavier, and his roof did come crashing down and ruin his carousel. So he went out and bought 3 old derelict carousels with the intention of building one good one out of them. But he died before he got it accomplished. So we bought the carousel structures from him, and we've used them at the old mill. Now here's how they came to turn. There was a water-powered sawmill on the property here where the Flying Turns Right is today. Operated by an undershot wheel. That is, the water did not go over the top of the water wheel, it went under. Down at the old mill, that is the original tail race down there that we've since now walled up. In memory of the water power that we had there, we built this wooden water wheel, and then we got some gears out of old grist mills and some other parts of the carousel, and that's how we make it go around. One of the interesting things is the bevel gears that convert the horizontal torque to vertical torque. I got those when the Eagle Silk Mill in Shamokin went defunct. Found these 2 mated 45-degree gears in the old machine shop. I thought, well, I bet I can make use of them someday, and we have. So the one top is stationary, where they serve the food. The second top is run by the water wheel, and the third one was just sat there, and I said, well, we're gonna make that go too. So I got an electric motor, a gear motor, and set it up on top, and it drives one of the bevel gears that would normally operate the jumping horses. So we're basically just driving it backwards.